In today's quick tip video, I'm talking about something I tell most of my clients, and that's compliments are a win-win. I guess in some ways it's taking the romance out of a compliment. That being said, it's not only for your partner, it's also back to you. It's a win-win situation. I'm going to tell you how to best utilize compliments in your relationship. Let's get to work. Compliments are a win-win. I think the most obvious is it's a win for your partner. You're saying, I see you, I'm thankful for you, I appreciate you. We all need that. It's an amazing piece to in a relationship, very important. At the same time, I want you to think about a compliment as a way to communicate a need. So think about your needs. How can I communicate them in a way that honors my partner, is an opportunity to connect? So I may say something like, thank you for doing the dishes after a long day. I'm saying, I love that you do the dishes. Maybe then you'll be more likely to do them more. Maybe then I'm meeting a need. I really appreciate how hard you work. I really appreciate the fact that you make quality time, even though you do work so hard. So I'm saying, that's what I like. I like when we have quality time together. So it's almost like, bing, bing, do this more. It's a great way to communicate a need to your partner while still honoring the things that they give to you in return. So compliments are a win-win within relationships. I'd love to know your thoughts on that reciprocal nature in something within your marriage as well. Does something else come to mind? That the more that I give to my partner, I actually also get it in return. If you're new here, hi, my name is Emily, and I'm a relationship coach here at the Couples Workshop. I put out videos like this focusing on quick tips to help you in your relationship. Thanks so much for tuning in.